Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. So guys, I will leave a link to my previous video how I made this tahini homemade, really delicious, only few ingredients. And now my peeps, my part 2 video, I'm gonna make some hummus. All right, some simple homemade hummus, really creamy and delicious. Please remember to give me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. All right, let's get into this video. Now my peeps, I'm using the extra large can of chickpeas. You can cook your own chickpeas. You're gonna need a little bit of salt for taste, extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice. I have some paprika, some parsley, some garlic. You're gonna need some cumin powder for flavor. I rinse them and I drain them off. So I'm gonna do one can first, all right? And you wanna, this one is gonna be time consuming a little bit, but it will worth it. But you can go ahead and you can process them with the skin on. So I'm gonna take my time and I'm gonna take off as much as possible of the skin. All right. I also found another easy way too. Just put them in some water, some cold water, and just kind of rub them. Gentle, don't squeeze them too much, okay guys, just lightly. And you notice the trash or the skin will just float to the top and you can just take them off. And what's not done, you can do them by your hand one by one. And a lot of them already clean. See? I'm on the second can now guys, all right, and I did it the same. So in order for you to know when the skin is off, yes or not, and you can tell when the skin is off, they are a little bit shinier. When the skin is on, they look a little bit matte, all right, or pale. Then you will know which one to take off so you don't have to waste your time. All right. 2 cans of chickpeas. You want to do it in portion, okay guys? Do half first. And we're gonna puree this one. When you have it like this, go ahead and just scrape it down a little bit. And we're gonna puree it a little bit more. All right guys, at this point you're gonna put your 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can put more or less, it's up to you. I'm gonna put about half teaspoon salt. You put salt to your liking, all right? We're gonna put some olive oil. I'm gonna go in with 2 tablespoons for now. You can add 3. You can use fresh garlic, but here I'm gonna go in with 2 teaspoons of garlic. You can put more or less to your liking. If you like it really garlicky, go ahead and add more. And we're gonna do it again for about a minute. All right guys, we're at this point now. So just continue to scrape down the side. It's coming on nicely. You see how it's already creamy? Look at that. Oh mamma mia, it's so good. And I'm not done yet guys. I think I want a little bit more garlic, so I'm gonna put another teaspoon of garlic paste. You can use roasted garlic. And I'm gonna go in with another tablespoon of olive oil. So 3 tablespoons, you don't want more than that. Remember guys, I'm making a lot. Now I have some ice water and I'm gonna put about 2 to 3 tablespoons to make it really creamy and nice, okay? right. Ooh, this is where we're at, guys. Ooh, boy, oh boy. This is my cumin, and I'm gonna add half teaspoon. You can add 1 if you like. It's up to you, your choice, guys. And this is my tahini paste. I will leave a link, and we're gonna go in with 1, 2, 3. We're gonna go in with 4 tablespoons. There you go, and you have for leftover for our next recipe. Okay, guys. See. I already add about 4 tablespoons of ice water, guys. I'm gonna go in with some more because I made a lot. Okay, there. Okay, so that's another 2. If you're making like 1 can, you can add about 3 tablespoons. Okay, all right, and we're gonna puree it again. Add to your liking until it's creamy and fluffy. All right, guys, we're gonna scrape down the sides and see where we're at. Ooh, yes. Look at that goodness, guys. Ooh, it's super creamy. I think it needs a little bit more lemon juice. I'm gonna put another teaspoon. Want a little bit more zest to it. And I'm also gonna put like another 1/4 teaspoon of salt, just a pinch of salt. I'm gonna put another tablespoon of the tahini. Okay, guys, we're done. And oh my god, can you see this, guys, how creamy it is? Look at that. We're gonna give it a little taste. Amazing. I'm gonna eat it all out. So go ahead and take some out. Put it here. I'm gonna put the rest in a container, right, guys? Flatten it out a little bit, right? And just swirl it with a spoon, just for a little style, you know, guys. So I'm just gonna try to decorate it a little bit with a little bit of paprika. And now I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil over it. A little bit of parsley flakes. This is it. Yes, I'm super excited. I'm gonna dive down in it. I'm gonna eat it with my tough crackers, my water crackers. I'm gonna eat it with bread. I'm gonna eat it, oh my god, with everything. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna eat it with some roti, some pita bread. It tastes amazing, full of garlic, full of flavor. You can eat it with whatever you want, or eat it just by itself. You can even put some on your salad. I'm gonna use a lot to make my, like, butter my sandwich, because I don't use butter or other dressing. So this gonna be my dressing and my butter. So this is me taste testing it for you. I have some wrap here, and oh my goodness, I can't wait to dive in it. I want to show you how creamy it is. See this goodness, guys. Oh boy. Oh mamma mia. Oh my god. You can eat it warm or cold, it's up to you, but this one is at room temperature because I just made it. Right, guys, look how creamy. It's like butter. I put it in a glass container, closed lid that it's sealed. All right, and I'm gonna store it in the fridge for about a week and a half. And you can store it in the refrigerator for up to a month, and maybe a month and a week or 2.